If you want to regain it, you're gonna have to play a little game.
What game?
Hangman. Call out a letter, guess the phrase. Lose the game, your life follows. Hurry, lad. You only get an A for results.
E. O.
Lucky guess.
T.
Wrong again?
G.
Sorry.
S.
Nope.
M. C. R. Y. And no mercy. The answer is no mercy.